I'm here to remind you guys today that the daiquiri is not that frozen sugary drink you get at a restaurant, but it is one of the most versatile and delicious drinks you're ever gonna have, because you can use any rum you want. Look at all these options: pineapple rum, dark rum, light rum, Jamaican Demerara. Today we are gonna use the Havana Club light Puerto Rican rum in this Cuban daiquiri. All right. First thing, fresh lime juice. Always use freshly squeezed lime juice in this drink. I use about 3/4 of an ounce, but feel free to experiment with that, just like all the ingredients in this drink. Next up, 2 ounces of your rum of choice. I'm using Havana Club's Puerto Rican light rum today. I feel like it's just a nice all-around balanced cocktail. And then finally, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. I prefer Demerara. I feel like it gives a little bit more body, but if you just have white sugar simple syrup, do that. That's no problem. All right. Shake it up with ice really well, and when you pour this into your coupe glass, you're gonna want a double strain to remove all those ice chunks. And there you go, a traditional daiquiri. Till next time, Jeff from Tiki Drinks at Home.